Elevate your lifestyle in this impressive and impeccable waterfront property. Located high above the bay and on the island as Premier Drive, this sensational home offers the chic feel of South Beach but with southern charm. Stylish and refined open floor plan west broadwater views. Built west the highest standards and finest finishes. Gourmet Kitchen west exotic granite, Lux Thermador appliance package and custom breakfast bar. Grand foyer and living room, dining room west wine bar, executive office, reading room and expansive master suite. First floor guest suite, home theater west full bar and flex room perfect for gym, office or children. Lounge. Posh covered and screen Liana West summer kitchen bar offers an additional 1,200 square foot of alfresco living space. Resort-inspired pool deck west lagoon pool, waterfall and putting green. Oversized garage west dumbwaiter and auxiliary kitchen for entertaining.